Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone Air, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, swipe down from the top right side of your screen for the control center, and locate this toggle right here where it says Focus. Now, if you hold it, it gives you a bunch of options right here, probably more than you usually have. And one of them will be at the very top is the Do Not Disturb mode. Now you can tap on it right here to automatically turn it on, or you can click on the three dots and navigate into the settings, or you have the options to customize it a little bit. Select a schedule as well, so it automatically turns on and off. So this will give you basically just limited options right here. And I recommend going there at least once to see how everything is set, changing the settings if they don't fit your needs, and once you have done so, you don't ever have to go back there again. And from there, you can just toggle it on and off from here. Now, when you hold it and you pick from the options, like I did, you can see that the moon icon stays visible right here. So I can now re-enable it at any point by just tapping on an icon, unlike before where I had just accumulation of several different icons that would equate to, multiple modes that I have access to in here. So there we go. Now anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.